I should be back up and running fully come next month. I'm still gonna go ahead and do the 2 videos this month, and then I'm hoping that come next month that I will be able to start posting normally. It's gonna be my first video since this video here. This emotion thing is not for me. I don't do this well. I'm not good at this. And welcome back. I am TBI AF, where in 2015 I received a head injury, and this is how I put my life back together. I'm struggling today. I'm really struggling today. I'm nervous to be back, but at the same time, I'm really, really excited. I'm excited to make content for you guys. But really quick before we get started, I want to let you know how incredibly excited I am that you guys are smashing the Worthy video that I put up. I'm so happy to announce that it is now the #1 video on the channel. It's actually crushed my most watched video, so that's pretty exciting. And I'm pretty sure that Jamie would be so happy to see that you guys are just crushing that video. I'm also going to announce as well that I believe, yeah, in the next few days, I'm going to change that thumbnail out and make the thumbnail a little bit different. I don't know what happened when I put the thumbnail up, but that is not the thumbnail I intended for. So I will be changing that. Keep an eye out for that. But we're gonna head and go and get some caffeine. I cannot do today without caffeine. So let's go get some caffeine and start our day. I tried to film this before with music in my ear and it just didn't work, so I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. I've never done something like this before. So hopefully it goes well. Can everybody tell I'm nervous? I had some stuff go on Valentine's Day that didn't technically stop. Some people know and some people don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. If you're in the loop, you're in the loop. And if you're not in the loop, please respect my boundaries. And it would be greatly appreciated. Okay. I told a friend of mine what was going on. And after that, I basically fell off the planet. And so I'm here. It's gonna make me cry. I'm here to tell everybody that I feel like a horrible friend because I didn't reach out. I understand that this person knows why I didn't say anything, but I want to genuinely tell this person how much I appreciate them and how much I appreciate the words that they had given in a time that I genuinely needed them. As you can tell, I'm trying not to cry. I've put on this channel many times about DTD or Dollar Tree dinners, and I think my community at this point would know quite well. There are a few people that have showed up that might not know, so I'm going to leave a link down below to her channel. But she was so sweet and so kind, and I did not have the capacity to deal with everything that was coming to me, and I feel bad. So I just kind of want to reach out publicly and say that I genuinely appreciate what she did when she did it. And that I think right now, yeah, I do feel that she's probably in my top five favorite humans right now. Definitely. Yeah, easily. So I just wanted to tell you guys and her, I just wanted to let her know that I appreciated her and the words that she said to me at a time that I really needed those words. So thank you. I appreciate it. And I did have a couple of extra videos that I did not include within the list that will be coming out as time goes on. So stay tuned for those. So excited to actually be back working, doing this again. I feel great. I feel amazing. I feel hopeful. So let's hope nothing decides to actually crop up out of the woodwork. I am so excited. I'm gonna go edit some videos. And with that, we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.